Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the euro gain 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the dollar gain 0.6% against the yen. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.7% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Asian stock markets sank ahead of a US inflation update that traders worry might lead to more interest rate hikes. Traders hope inflation data will show upward pressure on US prices is easing, which might encourage the Federal Reserve to ease off efforts to cool business activity and hiring. Banco do Brasil, Brazil's largest public bank, has enabled the payment of taxes with cryptocurrencies, the bank said in a statement. The service is only available to customers with cryptocurrencies deposited with BitFi, a startup specializing in blockchain solutions in which BB's corporate venture capital arm has invested. Slashed prices have given Tesla's China sales a pop, as Tesla's January price cuts drove deliveries of its China-made vehicles up 18% from December. Analysts and even fans warn the US automaker needs to up its long-term game to avoid choking on the dust of fast-moving rivals in the world's biggest electric vehicle market.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's ILO unemployment rate will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index core at 1330 GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 1330 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.